Samsung's One UI 7 is making waves in the Android world, offering a refined and feature-rich user experience that many feel surpasses both the iPhone and Google's Pixel devices. While the final version isn't out until January 2025, the beta version already shows huge improvements in design, usability, and performance. One UI 7 refines Samsung's visual appeal with smoother animations, more cohesive app designs, and a cleaner interface. The new system feels more polished, intuitive, and user-friendly, making the experience feel more premium than ever. One standout feature of One UI 7 is the redesigned camera app. Samsung has placed all essential controls at the bottom of the screen, making it easier to operate, especially on large devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This change improves ergonomics, making the app more practical compared to both the iPhone's and Pixel's camera layouts. The update also introduces a TikTok-style vertical scrolling interface, which feels more natural and fluid for navigating apps and settings, and better suits modern smartphones. Samsung even draws inspiration from iOS's Dynamic Island, introducing the Now bar on the lock screen. This allows users to quickly access widgets and ongoing tasks without unlocking their phones, a feature reminiscent of Apple's iconic feature, but Samsung places it in a more intuitive location. The Smart Widget Stacks are another highlight, providing better customization and usability than any feature on iOS or Pixel. Perhaps the biggest improvement is Samsung's focus on multitasking. One UI 7 continues to excel in split-screen and pop-up modes, areas where iOS still lags behind. The system is practical, feature-packed, and clearly focused on user needs. Features like enhanced multitasking, intuitive controls, and improved interface design make One UI 7 a standout in the crowded smartphone market. Samsung has succeeded in blending the best aspects of both iOS and Pixel while adding its own flair, ensuring that One UI 7 is a game-changer for Galaxy users in 2025.